Hi everyone. So the first thing is to watch this video on English phrases for plans and goals. And then you can go and study the notes, phrases for making resolutions. I'm going to, I'm not going to, I'm definitely going to. I'm determined to eat healthier in 2016. I'm determined not to lose my temper with my kids. I'm planning on, so we use the preposition on, or I'm planning to. I'm planning on buying a house. I'm planning to travel to Hawaii. You can also use I hope to. I hope to get into graduate school this year. Or I might, if you're uncertain. I might get a dog, although I'm not sure if my apartment's big enough for a pet. Again, if you're not sure, I'm thinking about having another child this year. And then there's phrases for expressing excitement, such as, I'm counting down the days until. Or informal, I'm psyched. We use that expression. I'm psyched to go to China. Okay, it's informal. Or pumped is also very, very informal. But we do use these words. They're just informal. All right, so then what you're going to do is you're going to go to, sorry, I'm going back to the page. You're going to go to here, language for talking about your goals. And you're going to add a new discussion topic. You're going to write in your subject. And then instead of typing sentences, although you could type some sentences and read them, what I'd like you to do is click on the voice recorder here. Click on the voice recorder. I'm going to allow the voice recorder. You should be using Chrome or Safari. I'm using Safari right now. Don't try using Explorer because it's not going to work. And then I'm going to record my voice here. Once I'm finished, I upload and the audio recording will automatically go into your discussion. Okay? So I would like everyone to try that. Again, you can write your sentences first based on what we just looked at here, and then record your voice using the icon of the voice recorder. Okay. Thank you.